All right, guys, so this is Andrew. I'm going to do a quick recap for today. I had a really bad day this morning, and I had a couple of good trades on AMC and ORPH, but MRIN, I had really horrible time on it. Eventually, I kind of survived on it. Actually, it might be a good place to add a little bit here as well for the break off toward 19. I'm adding a little bit here on MRIN. See if you can get toward 19. So yeah, I had a really bad day on MRIN in the morning, but eventually I got a couple of really nice trades on it. So MRIN right now is, as you see at the open, it just got right now it's dropping a little bit. Let's take a look at it and see what it does at the 18. So MRIN at the open, gapping up. I tried to catch a couple of breakout on it. I got stopped out a few times, especially the biggest loss that I had on it was at the open on a 1 minute opening range breakup, and it squeezed at one long at 9 and then dropped to 925. And then I tried to catch a reversal here, a little bit of profit, another profit. That was another loss that I had. Really, they dumped it on me. So that was a couple of trades that I did, and then after it squeezed, looks like a fallen angel. I went long and sold some here, and then here did an ABCD pattern. Eventually, the run that we were expecting, it happened. Eventually they got from 950 all the way up to right now it's trading at 19. So I got halted again. I got stuck in a halt. Went back after the halt. I added more. Went all the way up to 12, and I then. I traded a couple of more times here from 11 all the way up breakout, ABCD pattern all the way up to 12, 13. So now in the afternoon that I was gone, went to the office, came back. I need to go to see a doctor, but I see that again, this ABCD pattern is happening, really nice breakouts. Now it's gonna go up, so I was hoping that maybe we can get to 19. So I just dumped in the long at 16, sold out to 18, and it looks like yeah, it's a little bit tricky here, but it looks like a consolidation here. I want to see if you can get another breakout toward 19 as well or not. That's the thing. It's just unbelievable. This stock is, it was really tough to trade, but now it's getting really nice. Okay, so here it is. So popping up a little bit. Let's see if you can go toward 19. I think it's going to go toward 19. The asks are stacking up a little bit. Unbelievable. This stock is unbelievable. Marin software. It's just I missed the whole move. I wasn't really watching it here. I was in the doctor appointment. It's gonna go up toward 19. I love that. I'll see if we can for the break of 19. It would be really amazing. There's a good chance that goes into the 19. This is a stock that in the past ran up for a couple of times. Yeah, see if this 18, 15 holds. I might add a little bit more here if it goes above toward 19. See what it does. Yeah, it just seems toppy, but let's see. It might have another run in it. I had a really nice opening range breakup on AMC. I had a really nice 1 minute opening range breakup on AMC. Both Brian and I cut this one 59 all the way up to 61. That was a really nice one. Or PH was another short that we did. Brian took it for opening range breakdown. That was really nice. Another short that we did it for 5 minutes opening range breakdown. And then this MRIN is gave me a really hard time. But let's see. Oh, it's gonna go up to a 19. Let's see. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Let's see, this is I'm just adding a little bit, setting some a little bit here. Yeah, it might decline now. Okay, gotcha. Yeah. So I'm selling out all out. I'm all out on it, guys. So yeah, that was another really nice pop that we got on it. I think it's kind of extended now, so it's just it probably want to go up to 19, but it's just I think it's a little bit exhausted. Again, it's on a 5 minute chart. Is a little bit extended. I don't think we have shares for short. Oh yeah, actually we do have shares for short. I got a little bit of shares short here, a partial fill on that. Not a lot. I got a small, really small short on it. So yeah, attractive brokers are. Yeah, I can cancel that. So I'm short a little bit on this It's a little bit tricky to short it, and that's one of the reasons that it really gets. Yeah, I did get short a little. I did get short a little bit here, so you know it's like 500 shares on something on it. Let's see. I mean, now that I'm short, I might as well hold it and see if this short can go down a little bit here. It's just, it may not. I mean, one of the reasons that is really squeezing it's just a huge short to squeeze that on that. Yeah, it's not worth for me. I'm just getting out of it. Just covered everything. Yeah, it might go down, it might go up. I don't know. It doesn't say that it's shortable, but I did get filled like 500 shares on it. Crazy. Yeah, I know. It's just amazing. I don't know if it's amazing if we can just do another long on it or not. So New York City, guys, this weekend we're gonna have a really nice. I think we're gonna have a really nice meetup in New York City for Thor's birthday on Saturday. I might get an easy tour by one of the market makers. You know, I'm in touch with them. Maybe they can give me a tour on easy. That would be really nice if you can get that. Yeah, this one might crack the 18. Yeah, so the big beads in 18 are potential. Oh yeah, there you go. It might be also in the 920 trade, so buying on pullbacks. Some people just keep buying it in the pullbacks. Yeah, might collapse. Might be a good buy opportunity again on these moving averages. So as you see, every time that comes into these moving averages, so people are buying it back. See what it does. Yeah, so see it. Oh yeah, damn, I wish I was still short in it, but it's kind of expecting that this drop is happening. Yeah, this is the collapse. Might go to this moving average down here. Oh yeah, look at this. Yeah, I got short a little bit, but you know, I just didn't get short filled completely. Yeah, no, that was amazing, especially this pub was really amazing. This ABCD pattern was really amazing. And yeah, break of 19 at 1882. I think, what time is it? Yeah, we don't have much time for the day, but this might be in play tomorrow as well. Now that the price range is a little bit higher, it's easier. It was less than $10. It was a little bit tough for me to trade, but yeah, no, that was that turned out to be a really amazing day for me. Although it was really hard trading it at open. Let's see if we can buy it, do it, you know, buy it in this area for a potential bounce. I mean, now it's collapsing really. Oh, I'm buying some here at this 1634. Let's see if you can potentially get a quick bounce from here. See if you can get a quick bounce. 217 maybe. So that's my position here, as you see, just getting out some here at 1673. Let's get another pop towards 17. I mean, that's a short covering. Whoever was short up there, and now they have to cover. And this is the strongest stock, so you don't want to get stuck in their short. Asks are building up a little bit here, so just, you know, getting a little bit more. Maybe a pop above 17. Oh yeah, here we go. See, as you see, there was the really nice counter trend reversal on that we just did it. So that was so just getting out a little bit more on it. So that was a really nice counter trend trade on it. So it's essentially it would be like a 420 trade. So Oh yeah, now it's short is available. As you see, the DAS is I think is actively, it's now, it says 8,000 shares is available. I think it's every 5 minutes loading it. And I think MRIN is having I think the float is about 9 million shares, so something like that with 332 million shares. Just unbelievable. Yeah, Peter is doing some stuff up there, so let's see what Peter is doing. So the chat room is there. Peter is putting his hand up there, so just I don't know what they're saying, but just doing it with stuff and stuff. Nice. So that's the chat room. Let's see what the it might actually worth to hold some overnight, to be honest with you. I might actually hold this 1,000 shares overnight. It might open much higher. Anyways, so thank you so much, guys. I mean, sorry for the morning bad trading, but I turned out to be an amazing trade. I got to run. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to Whistler for some hiking and mountain biking and just some relaxation. And hopefully we'll see you all tomorrow in the chat room. I'm gonna be trading, that's for sure. Ciao.